Hello, how's it going? We'll see if this trade sets up. We'll take it. I'm going to take it in the trade simulator just because I've already taken a trade this morning back here and it won. So I'm good. I don't need to take another one. But this is kind of a good setup. And so I'll just take it. Looks like it's going to set up in 43 seconds. All right, so I talked about trading math the other day. And sometimes I hear people, even when I was over all the coaches, I'd hear coaches say, well, you can't do that. That just is like fingernails on the chalkboard. Understand in trading, you can do whatever you want. Now, the question that you have to ask yourself is, should I be doing this? The market will teach you gently if you back test it to find out if it's a suitable trade plan, or if you just jump in live without any data backing up, it's not going to be so gentle in the teaching methods. But you can do whatever you want. And a lot of times I hear with money management, right? I enjoy anytime I talk about money management, it's always risk to reward. That's kind of how it sets up. So if I say a 2-to-1, that means my risk is twice as much as my reward. So I'll just use percentages. If I have a 5% risk, then my reward is going to be 2.5%. Now, if you trade this at 50%, it's not going to make money. It's going to lose it pretty steadily. If you trade it at 60%, it's not going to make money. If you trade it at 65, not going to make money. When you start getting up to that 70%, depending on your slippage in accounts and your brokerage commissions or fees, is probably not going to lose money, right? Maybe you start making some money. But if you get up to 75%, this is where you start making money. So really quick, if we're using that where I'm going for 4, or my risk is at 4 and I'm going for, or 5 and going for 2.5. If I go 2.5 times 75, it'd be 187.5. Now I'm also going to lose 25 trades at 5%, and that's 125. But if you minus these right here, 187, 125, that's over a 60% growth in 100 trades. So it works. And the reason why I started teaching this is because it naturally induces a higher win percentage. So hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next one.